Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial on how to transfer USDC from your Gemini account to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between exchanges and wallets is a key skill, and USDC is one of the most popular stablecoins out there. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this yourself with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Gemini account and MetaMask set up. Open your Gemini app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. It's usually in the Wallet or Assets tab. Select USDC from your list of assets. Now, here's a crucial step. Choose the correct network. For USDC, you'll want to select the Ethereum network to ensure compatibility with MetaMask. Next, grab your MetaMask wallet address. Open the MetaMask extension or app, switch to the Ethereum mainnet if needed, and copy the address from the top of your wallet screen. Head back to Gemini and paste that address into the withdrawal form. Double check it. Typos can lead to lost funds. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer, review the fees, which might include network costs, and hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Gemini. While the transaction processes, keep an eye on MetaMask. It might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you'll see your USDC balance update. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to boost security, and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDC from Gemini to MetaMask in 2025. This process keeps your assets flexible and under your control. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.